welcome to Tangy Subtle Luxuries, where I share luxury, fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. And my name is Tanya Williams. And today I have a good video for you guys. Today I will be sharing date night outfits. So let's start with the outfit that I'm wearing. So I have on a sweater that I picked up from Express. I love it because it's so casual, it's cozy, it feels so good, it's so warm. It feels like it feels like it's loungewear, but it's not. The reason why I love it is because it has the ruffles right here on both sides, and that amps up the outfit. You can dress it amps up any outfit this sweater would, because you can dress it up or dress it down. Along with this sweater, I'm looking at my phone because I have my notes here. I paired them with a pair of jeans that I picked up from Nordstrom. They're called Wit and Wisdom. I absolutely love these jeans. For one, they have stretch in them, but they're not too stretchy. They do not lose their shape. The thing that I love about them, as well as they're mid-rise, they're not high-rise, and they still look nice. And it doesn't, and I do not have the gapping that you sometimes get with jeans when they don't fit correctly around your waist. And I love the bottom because the bottom has the raw hem in them, as well as the little slit up the side. And that is, that is so nice. And that is what I really love about these jeans. And then I paired the jeans with a pair of my famous J. Crew pumps. I absolutely love them. I wear them all the time. I show you guys these shoes over and over again in my videos. So that can tell you just how versatile a tan pair of pumps are. And they're also comfortable. And then I paired it with one of my absolute favorite handbags, my Loewe puzzle bag. It's the mini size that I absolutely love. That tops off the outfit. It brings it all together with the brown, the green, the tan. It is seamless, and it just adds that wow factor to the outfit. So let's go to my next outfit, and you will see that I'm wearing a green dress. I absolutely love this dress. It feels like a long sleeve t-shirt dress, but however, it's not. It's 100% cotton with a little bit of spandex, and you'll see that it does have a slit on the side, which gives it that kind of like sexy feeling. You know, you feel like kind of sexy. I do when I'm wearing this dress. And then what I did with it was I put this scarf around it that I had picked up from Banana Republic. And again, I threw on my tan J. Crew pumps that I absolutely love. And then I had to just throw in my Louis Vuitton handbag, which this handbag is just like one of my favorites. I am starting to fall back in love with it. You know, I recently said in another video that it was too big. It's my Louis Vuitton 30, but I love it. You know, it's my Speedy 30. It's the first luxury handbag that I've ever received, so it will always be with me, and I love it. And then you can see how I just brought this outfit together with the colors, with the green in the scarf, the green in the dress, the tan in the bag, and the tan within the pumps, and also the off-white in the scarf. It just brings everything together, makes it seamless. This could be a nice outfit just for going out to dinner, just hanging out, and just you could even wear this to a play. So this is a nice outfit to wear to a play as well. And then the next outfit, I had to throw in my rustic lamb. Okay, so this outfit I really love. Starting with, it's just a plain old long sleeve tee that's in the maroon that I picked up from, I think it was Walmart. I picked it up from Walmart. I had it for years, and it's lasted this long. Also with my halogen black jacket, it's my black blazer, which I absolutely love. And then I paired them with, remember those leggings that I talked with you about that I picked up from Kohl's? So these ones are the brown and black snakeskin. I absolutely love these. These are so comfortable. Remember, I told you they are on the same lines as Spanx with me. They feel good. Actually, these leggings are a little bit uh more freeing, because it's like Spanx just like sucks you in. You feel like you can't breathe. And these leggings give you that support and that control, but however, they still feel good and they let you breathe a little bit more. And I absolutely love them, and they're well worth the price. As always, I will leave links to everything down below. Then I paired them with a pair of my Sam Edelman black pumps that I've shown you these before. These are one of my absolute go-to. I'm just telling you, shop your closet. Everybody I know has a black pair of pumps. They are a must. And then I topped it all off with this yellow handbag that is Fox Croc that I received from Target, that I purchased from Target. And it just gives that little color factor and that wow, and just puts a little more zhuzh on the outfit, which I absolutely love. And then what I have for you is I think this is one of my favorite outfits of all time. So what I'm wearing is a black short sleeve tee in this outfit with a pair of black skinny jeans and a pair of boots. So booties. So let's talk about the long sleeve tee. The long sleeve tee I picked up from Target. I mean, it's not a long sleeve tee. I'm sorry. The short sleeve tee I picked up from Target. I think it was like $5. Target has some of the best tees. I always get my short sleeve and some of my long tees from Target. I absolutely love them. And they are nice, they wash good, and they maintain their shape. So that's a must for me. Then I'm pairing them with a pair of Wit and Wisdom again, black skinny jeans that I absolutely love. Now these jeans, they run a little bit on the big side. So they run large. So I would say size down. I think I sized down about 2 sizes because they were just too big. But however, they do have stretch and they do keep their shape. So that is a good thing about Wit and Wisdom. You should check those out. I purchased those from Nordstrom as well. And then I have on this long red, black, and white cardigan that I picked up from the Loft. And I've had this cardigan for a while. You could even change it up. You could just put in a red cardigan. You could wear a white cardigan with this. And you could wear a black cardigan if you wanted to as well. You will still achieve the same look that I have here. I love this cardigan. This cardigan is a little oversized. I picked it up in a size large. I've had it for a long time. I've had it for a while. I could have went to a medium, but however, the large will allow me to put like puffier, thicker sweaters on underneath of it, and I won't feel like I'm in a straitjacket. And I absolutely love this cardigan. Every chance that I get, I wear this cardigan because it is absolutely one of my favorite cardigans. Then I have it paired with a pair of snakeskin boots. Now these boots I received, these are my Mark Fisher. I received these from my bestie as a gift. I absolutely love, love, love these boots. They are so nice. They have my rustic lamb. They're kind of Western with the pointy toe, the block heel. They're absolutely comfortable. And these boots are on point. And then I paired it with my Rebecca Mink Off snakeskin bag, and it just brought this whole look together. You can mix prints. Just make sure that they are in the same color family and not way out there. However, you can mix prints with solids. So you could do a snakeskin print in yellow or whatever if this was all black with a yellow handbag. You can also do that as well. But I mix these prints, and I love this outfit and how it all came together. This is like absolutely one of my favorite outfits. So let me know and tell me what you think about the outfits that I paired together, and which one was your favorite. And do you like how I paired the what is it called, the cardigan and the snakeskin booties? Let me know what you think. Let's talk about it. Let's get a discussion going. Also, don't forget to click that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and share my video. I'm going to be repetitive and tell you guys this every single video. Do not forget to share my video, share, because I am trying to get to 500 subscribers by my anniversary, which is March 31st. And I need you guys' help, because without you, I can't do it. So come on, share my video, share.